guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you're new, my name is Larissa, and here on this channel I post cleaning, organizing, decluttering videos every Tuesday. So if you do enjoy those types of videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below because you won't want to miss out on any of my future ones. I have some really cool ideas coming up for you guys in the springtime, and I'm really excited to share them with you, so you're not going to want to miss it. I get questions sometimes about where my bedding is from, and my comforter is from Walmart, so that is the main thing that people want to know. The gray comforter is from Walmart, and we got it about a year ago, but I'm pretty sure that they still have it in stock. So if you're interested, you might want to check your local Walmart because that is where we got it from. So today I'm just kind of cleaning up around the apartment. Nothing too crazy, but I'm starting out here in the bedroom by making the bed and laying out this new throw blanket that I got from TJ Maxx this weekend. So I also wanted to mention that there's going to be a mini TJ Maxx haul later on in the video. So I did some shopping and got some new workout clothes and some clothes to wear to work.
With big windows up on the third floor in our chateau. Why don't we just get a place together? Mornings in our own bed, so much better. Balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together?
So now I'm just showing you guys some things that I got when I was shopping this weekend. I went to TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and Old Navy. I absolutely love TJ Maxx for their leggings. As you can see, I got a few different pairs of really cute patterns as well as some just workout shirts from TJ Maxx. I'm just curious, so leave it down in the comments. Where is your favorite place to shop? Either for clothes, for home decor, for anything really, for toys for your kids. Where's your favorite place to go to shop? Mine is TJ Maxx, most definitely. And I feel like most people love Target, but TJ Maxx is my number one favorite place to go. I just love how their clothes are so unique, and I can always find multiple things that I love there. So now I'm just going to hang up the clothes that I got and then continue on with the cleaning.
You're calling, I'm falling. Don't know what it is you do to me, yeah. Where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. Going like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dance the night away. I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I missed you. Give me that kiss now. I just wanna hold you close to me. I really like you. Do you like me? Don't you wanna see what this could be? I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. Yeah.
after I had removed all the tags from the clothes that I had gotten and hung them up and put them away, it was time for me to start clearing off the nightstand so that I could start wiping it down, as well as clearing off and wiping down the rest of the bedroom furniture. And then once I was done with that, I was moving on into the next room.
I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak? I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak?
Sunset slow, hey, you know you should stay for the night. What you think, one more drink while we sit by the...
So now I was just changing out the wallflower that's in our bedroom. Matt actually got me my first ever wallflower for Christmas, and it was part of the Bath & Body Works aromatherapy line. It was the stress relief one, I believe, which I really needed it. And so I really enjoyed the scent of that. But they only last for about 30 days, and so since it had been about 30 days since Christmas, I needed to change it out. So I got several of them because I think that there was a sale going on where it was like buy 5 for $24 or something like that. But the first one that I put in was the Rosewater and Ivy, and guys, it is the best scent ever. I love walking into our apartment every day after work and just smelling it. It's just such a fresh scent, and it is perfect for the springtime. So if you're in the market for some new Bath & Body Works wallflowers, I really recommend the Rosewater and Ivy scent. After I finished vacuuming the bedroom, it was time to move on into the kitchen, and I'm just starting off in there by unloading and reloading the dishwasher.
I need you, what to do, I can't help that I want you. We got the moonlight shining bright as we drive down the avenue. 'Cause this might be love, it's a feeling that I can't get rid of. So just take my hand, I wanna be with you until the chance, baby, roll the dice. Gotta give me some love, 'cause when I'm with you, I'm in paradise. You know how to make me feel alive. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. You gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah.
Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back.
So, fun fact about me, I really do enjoy cleaning my kitchen, and I think that my favorite part is cleaning out my sink. And I just love to use whatever dish soap I'm using, so I'm still going through the Mrs. Meyer's limited edition orange clove scent that was part of their holiday scents. And so I absolutely love that scent, but as I'm rinsing out the sink, like you can see me doing here, I will run my garbage disposal, and I feel like the dish soap just makes the entire sink and the entire kitchen and pretty much the entire apartment smell very, very good.
Freaking out, to the beat, you freak out, sing like, where's the fun in doing what you're told? I'm out of mind even though I lose control.
So the last thing that I'm doing is just putting away this Grove order that I had recently gotten in, and that wraps up this week's cleaning video. So again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. I have lots of fun, cool videos coming your way in the next few weeks and the next few months, so you won't want to miss out on those. And be sure to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out and means so much to me when I get those thumbs up. So if you wouldn't mind doing that before you leave, I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.
La, la.